Welcome dear students, myself Zainab Bahuri. Today we are going to discuss about moral studies from the book of Stream of Wisdom. Lesson number 5. Win over loneliness and depression. Dear friends, to know about what is loneliness, what is depression, how is our emotional status, let us answer these questions quickly.
Can a person be alone in a crowd? Yes. Does loneliness affects peace and happiness? Of course, loneliness affects. Do you enjoy being alone? Yes. Being with a friend is better than being alone? Yes. Is loneliness good for health? No. Is loneliness and solitude the same? No, they are not. Can we utilize solitude somehow? Yes, definitely we can.
Here I want to share with you something important which is recently studied by the different organizations in order to know about the condition of people based on loneliness and depression. A recent study conducted among the 3 million people shows loneliness shortens the lifespan. Dear students, in this study, they found that loneliness is as dangerous as obesity and smoking. Moreover, high blood pressure and gastrointestinal problems are directly caused due to the loneliness. In an experiment, psychologists have studied that positive thinking is very much important. They made survey of highly successful businessmen and different people working in different fields. They found that their attitude, their positivity toward the life is very much important to bring success for them. Dear friend, loneliness is a feeling of isolation or lack of companionship. At the base of loneliness, we find the thought that one is unwanted. Nobody wants our help in family or society. And this feeling gives the loneliness. Always remember, loneliness never means to be physically alone. But it is the state of mind where we feel that we are no more useful to anybody in the society. One can experience loneliness even when we are in the crowd. So from this we can understand loneliness is not only to be shut in a dark room, but we feel ourselves useless for the community. Let us see how to deal with loneliness. Step 1. We can comfort ourselves with the thought that we are not alone. There are many who can understand, appreciate, advise and guide us through life. We should get involved in some activities based on our interest. For example, book clubs, art clubs, sports clubs, religious groups, political campaigns, concerts and exhibitions, etc. We should differentiate between loneliness and solitude. Loneliness is when one is unhappy to be alone. Solitude is when one is happy to be alone. There is nothing wrong with solitude because it can be useful and enjoyable. We are when in solitude, we can learn new things and develop new skills. Reading books, practicing, writing, etc. can be the best things we can do in solitude. So, dear friends, let's make it our habit to think about the welfare of other people. We should focus on the needs and feelings of others, not on our loneliness. And the last and very much important thing, cultivate positive thoughts. We are what we think we are. Let's enjoy the beauty of life. Here, I have a story to share with you to understand the concept of loneliness and depression.
A psychologist walked into a room while teaching stress management to an audience. As she raised a glass of water, everyone expected that they'd be asked, "Is this glass half empty or half full?" But instead, with a smile on her face, she asked, "How heavy do you think this glass of water is?" People called out 8 ounces, 16 ounces, 20 ounces, and she replied, "The weight of this glass doesn't matter. It all depends on how long I hold it. If I hold it for just a minute, it's not a problem. The glass still feels light. If I hold it for an hour, I'll probably have an ache in my arm. The glass would feel heavy. But if I hold it for an entire day, my arm would start to feel numb and paralyzed. The glass would feel unbearable." The weight of the glass never changes, but the longer I hold it, the heavier it becomes. See, the stresses and worries in life are like a glass of water. If you think about them for just a while, nothing happens. If you think about them for a bit longer, they begin to hurt. And if you think about them all day long, then you will feel paralyzed, incapable of doing anything. So remember to put the glass down. Jimmy Harmon.
Dear students, read this quotation and write your views. Here are question answers for you. Question 1. How is loneliness related to health? Answer. Loneliness causes health issues like blood pressure, gastrointestinal problems. Question 2. What is loneliness? Answer. Loneliness means feeling of isolation or lack of companionship. Question 3. How is solitude different from loneliness? Answer. Loneliness is when one is unhappy to be alone, while being solitude means happy to be alone. Put off your views, what you learned from this lesson. We will meet with the new session. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thank you.